Right, and welcome back to another one. Me and the missus are going to break down this Audi today, get everything off of it that needs off of it. I'm going to try and get her to do all the work, make it easier for me. Obviously I'm going to have to help her with places because she's a little weakling. So just taking her wheel off, she probably can't undo wheel bolts, bless her. So we're going to start with wheel off, bumper off, light off, wing off. Try and piece the front end back together, or take the front end off and then sort out the rear light and why the boot's not opening. So right, like I said, she's a bit shy, so she might not talk to the camera for a while, but she'll get there. So without further ado, let's get to taking it apart. That. You need that.
Oh, you need to put it down.
These two that are here are a nightmare to get out because they cover it in the undersill. Look how thick that undersill is. And that's in all the heads of the two bolts that are underneath here. Nice. That's everything I get is for the mud. So I tried to get a wing for this. I've got a black one off an older one which had the indicator inside because I didn't have the car yet. So it had an indicator on it, so I couldn't use that one. So then tried again and got one from an older model. Then tried again and it bent when I got it off. So in total I took like 5 or 6 cars apart to get this one wing off of another car. I'm still pretty sure it's not even one that's the same colour. So let's get them 2 bolts out and then wing off. And Audi decided to do all their bolts as tight as they possibly can get them. So I've got all of that bit off, wings off, headlights out. I've got a little bit of extra damage, not much, on the bumper bracket As you can see, that's a bit mangled, but we'll just get a pair of grips on that and push it back into shape. Right, so for all of yous who are wondering why my missus ain't working on it, she's just a little bit too uncomfortable in front of the camera. She doesn't like it. Well, one little bit. She'll still be in the background and she'll still do the odd bit here and there with me on all the cars, but probably not for a long time yet. She's not going to be just completely doing a whole video. So, is what it is. You all come and watch me anyway. You don't go to see the woman, do you? So, now I've got to get into this boot. As you can see, it don't open. So, I had this problem with a Zafira, which was a fuse, as you'll all probably see from my first ever video. Quite tiny in there. So, I don't know how much you can see because it's dark. Oh, it's better on camera. Down there where you can see that little hole, let me have a show. It is there. I've already opened up, I can get to the latch. So I'm going to pop that open and then we'll get the rear light out and obviously go from there. Hey! Simple as that. I don't know why I decided to get out this way. So now for the rear light is just in here. Oh God, how am I going to show you? Just in there, you can see that bolt. That is all that holds the tail light in, that and two little clips so it pops sideways out the boot. So for anyone who doesn't know, these clips on the tail lights and the headlights, you simply get a tiny little screwdriver, push it in the hole, push down. I find it easier if you push the clip on and then pull it off. The headlights were these clips, but this side, for some reason, is facing the other way around. Getting in a screwdriver though was next to impossible, but I did it, as you saw. Just like that. Nice and simple, eh? So that's your tail light out. Now if you're a driveway guy and you work on your cars, whether it's just for fun, hobby, money, whatever, it's got bulbs in it. Take your bulbs. Got the tail light out. The boot is open. The wing is off. And the headlight is out. So I think for this one, that's enough. As you'll see a pattern with my videos, we clean it and we assess, we strip down, we rebuild, we hopefully finish. Nothing so far has been too difficult as to where I can't get it done. So alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Oi, say bye. Still won't talk.